Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm already on a little bit of some BS this morning. I'm already a little late to the charts. Yesterday was probably one of my worst days on the charts, period. Like, literally the two trades I took was just dumb. But I know why. I learned from yesterday. I looked at it for a little bit, for probably about an hour after, and just kind of realized where I went wrong. Watched over my video, saw how I got manipulated, and if y'all hear that cat, I got this cat is in here right now. So, but yeah, yesterday was pretty bad, pretty rough. I think part of it was me needing one more day to get a payout. That's literally quite literally what it was. I'm trying to and wanting to build a buffer. So, but I can't be taking dumb trades and just trying to rush the process. So, like yesterday, I just literally was not patient. This cat, why you up here? You wanna jump behind me? But yeah, we had some news today. I'm gonna give y'all a good live session. Market open in about 10 seconds. So we're gonna see what it do and go from there. I just want to simplify things today. We had this big candle up. So, okay, you finna hurt yourself. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. And market is moving and grooving already. No, I don't want to have to put you up while I'm trading. Let's see though. Really, bro? And I think that's another part. Like, just simplify this thing, bro. Oh, okay, we had almost at all-time highs. Red lines, all-time highs. I don't know what this cat is doing. I'm a little more locked in today, y'all. So I'm not. Yesterday was just so bad. Just like, okay, bro, you gotta lock in for sure. Like, I mean, yesterday it really, like, I've been taking good trades, but yesterday was just kind of like, bro, come on now. Like yesterday's trades, when I look back at them, it was like, come on, bro. Like, what are you doing? Like, I didn't pay attention. It's like, and I noticed a thing. I noticed that Tuesdays are my worst days. Like, literally, the past 4 weeks I've lost on Tuesday. Like, Tuesday is my worst day by far. So it's coming to a point where I'm just really not about to trade if it's no news. Like, if it's no news, I'm probably just, if I see something, I might take it, but I'm taking profit, like probably at like $200. Like, I'm not like, on Mondays, I don't know, bro. Mondays and Tuesdays is just not my days. I lose like the past. Like, I lost $800 for nothing yesterday. So Like it was just, and then that second trade was just so I revenge traded. I literally broke my rules yesterday. Like I'm not supposed to lose $800. Like $500 supposed to be my top. I'm not, and I don't even want to lose that much. But it's all good. We gonna bounce back. I'm not going through that again. So I'm noticing how I am on Tuesdays. It's like, bet Tuesdays I'm super defensive from now on Tuesdays. Okay, you are something else. I'm finna put you up. I'm finna put you up for sure. Alright, 15 minutes. See what this order looking like. We had some good news today though, so I think we get a good trade set up today though. I'm gonna let price find its direction. I know what I'm looking for. Don't just like yesterday, bro. Oh my goodness, I'm still a little messed up by yesterday, but well, it's behind me. But at the end of the day, I knew better. I knew better. Like I literally tried to take a reverse orb trade that literally was not there. Like it looked very, very good. I literally just got manipulated bad, but I need way more confirmation than what I had yesterday. Let me go silence my phone. Okay, I'm gonna end up putting you up in a second. Mm-mm. Huh. I'm finna put you up and then I'll let you back out when I'm done trading. Come on, I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, bro. Now I can focus a little more. Price is moving though for sure. And it's like, bro, even when I looked at those first candles from yesterday, like it was wild that I even tried to trade. Like it had 10 candles that literally, like the candles inside the orb, when the orb was being created, the first 15 minutes, those all were doji candles. Like 10 of those candles were dojis. And it's like, bro, come on, bro. Like, go and get out the market. If like, don't worry about the video being a certain length. Don't worry about trying to get more money or trying to build this buffer. Just make sure you build good habits. That's what matters the most. So, I saw that yesterday, and I still ended up trading. Was so like, it was just, come on, bro. Like all those candles were dojis. So it's like, bro, market had no movement. Like it was. Yesterday was very seek and destroy or manipulative, whatever you want to call it. So, but I learned from that, and I move on. Shoot, I'm ready to capitalize. I know what not to do. The market ain't gonna keep fooling me like that. So only thing that just got to me is it is a you versus you game. It's a you versus you business. So it's either you gonna, if you want to change your life, change it. If you don't, just keep doing BS. Just keep doing BS like yesterday. So you just gotta have the right mindset. I shouldn't have been, like, I do want to build my buffer. I know I'm close to this payout. I know all I need is one 150-day win, $150 win day. Like, that's all I need. But that buffer you wanted to build is gone at this point. Man, I'm not gonna lie. This may sound greedy. This might not be the right thing to do, but I'm not about to take a $500 payout. My payout gonna be at least $1,000. So I'm gonna build me a proper buffer. I'm just taking good trades. I don't know, bro. I might take, if I can take a payout of like 700 or something, I guess I'll take it. But because they said, a lot of people say when you take your first payout, it changes you. You know how it's like possible and different stuff like that. Like, so I don't know. Just so I can get that feeling of I can do this, I might just go ahead and take a little 700 but I'm not. I see people taking $300 payouts, and like, I want to be able to say I'm profitable after I take that payout. I ain't gonna lie, cause that's really what I want. I want that feeling. I want to know that I'm profitable. Cause me personally, I have not put more than $1,500 into the markets. I haven't done that yet. I probably put it around, like right at 1,000. So if I take a $1,500 payout, I know I'm profitable. I'm profitable at that point. So I ain't been rinsing and repeating these prop firms like that. I probably done had, yeah, I don't even know. Not that many though. About 4 minutes to the Orbis set. But I want to hit a banger trade today. We got news for the rest of the week, and I want to end the week green. Despite the little horrible $830 loss yesterday, I want to end the week green. It's possible. Tuesdays, I know now, bro. Tuesdays, you need to just either just stay off, or just, like, if it's news Tuesday, then okay. But if it's no news on a Tuesday, yeah, bro, you need to just get off the charts at this point. Just get off the charts. Because you don't do good on those days. Or just taper. You can taper, but don't hop in nothing. And I could be disciplined enough not to hop in something. That ain't hard. We got SMT at the lows right now. This right here. Market definitely pushing. That's what I like to see. Let's see, we got any unmitigated 4 hours? Yeah, we got one down here. The liquidity void. Sorry, you got, what's the name though? Two minutes on the orb. We hit a banger today though. No, I am. Just stay patient, stay ready. Be aware of everything. Be aware of the news. Be aware of the time. All that, bro. I do got yellow folder at 10. Not too worried about that though. Price might come back down these last little, just in that little mini 1 second. I mean 1 minute gap. This is looking clean to the upside right now. It's looking super clean to the upside right now, I'm not gonna lie. Well, not super clean, I wouldn't say that, but it's looking good. We got the S&T at the low. I mean, that's internal S&T though, so. Well, that's the orb right there. Excuse me. I actually want to run downstairs, give me some water. Getting a little bit of volume down. Sorry, I'm quiet, yeah. I'm just locked in, I guess. If y'all don't want to sit through it, just skip to the skip to me trading. I'm not liking how it's looking, to be honest. At like the last 5 candles, but let me see what the 5 minute looking like. Matter of fact. Got this little 5 minute gap. It might come back to. Let me see something. Yeah, price testing it over here. I don't know. I think price do. It wants them. I feel like it want to go to the lows. I'm not sure. I just don't like it because it's literally S&T on both sides of the market. It's S&T at the highs, S&T at the lows. Usually a good indicator to stay out, but let me see. We'll see what happens today. It's still early in the market. We'll see what happens after 10 o'clock. I like that. Got that down there. You could break this, go down. Oh, thank God for waking me up this morning. Thank God, thank God. Just fighting around this support. That price find a direction. You got 10 o'clock in about 3 to 4 minutes. Hopefully 10 o'clock give us a little push. We'll see what happens. Let me do that over here, matter of fact. Only thing that I don't like about this right now, I think market wants to go down for sure. I just think I don't know how it's gonna react to this 4-hour gap and this Asia low. But I don't typically like how it's looking right now. My lips is white right now, bro. Give me some Vaseline real quick. Some Vaseline real quick on my lips. Oh boy, that's doggone what's the name right here? Gotta hop in my seat. Yes, it's pushing up. The S&P. Maybe the upside is in play. We'll see. It's beautiful right here on ES. If only this was in queue. It's perfect. Perfect gap right there on the breakout. I like that one. There was a 5 minute though, but yes, just broke that 5 minute. Was about to. Oh no, it's 2 minutes. I think it still disrespects that 5 minute. This one is not even close yet. Let's see what happens when they get up there. Yeah, it's looking good. Look at this one more time. Hmm. Bars are in control right now. I need to remember that, bro. I need to remember that 10 o'clock is always going to create something. You know, it's going to look a little, you know, it's going to do better. Like, it's going to be a little more volume, obviously. Just don't ever be manipulated by it like I was yesterday. That was really so crazy. I let that 10 o'clock open just do me like that, but it was brutal. On a no news day, you just don't expect it to react that way. That's why I say it's a learning lesson. It is a learning lesson. I mean, because if y'all watched yesterday's video, it literally pushed up like almost 50% towards my TP, and then as soon as I noticed it was like 10 o'clock, or this 10 o'clock value, that mug shot back down all the way to my stop loss. Like, it was crazy. I wish I would have took profits when I made it to 50% of my TP. There goes some more volume up on ES a little bit. See how this gap gets respected or disrespected. If I get a breakout and we disrespect this gap, that'll be good. I would expect it to be this to be the draw, this data high, which I think is the draw anyway. So I gotta start stretching more. Next time, start running. Like, give me a wave vest. Start running. They got pushing it down. Created equal highs and got pretty strong right now. That's what it's showing. Sellers are definitely in that area. It's a lot of volume sitting right there. I wonder if this S&T gonna push price down, bro. I don't know. It's like you got this big S&T, right? It's right here. So I don't know. But I feel like we got. That's why I don't know, bro. We got draws higher. We got draws lower. That's why I don't want to come in with no bias, because you just never know. And then you got this. And you got that S&T. You got S&T on both sides. I just think that draw is that right there. I don't really know what's gonna happen at this point. Look at my chart, like, it look crazy. I got all this stuff on here, like all this is looking all crazy. what I could possibly see happening though is ES taking this data high first, and then maybe creating that SMT, and then we push down. That's what I kind of would want to see right now, but I just don't know. But my main focus is the orb, to be honest. Orb and normal liquidity risk, focusing on volume. Pretty sure some people took that trade off of that SMT, the data low SMT. I can only assume is what a lot of people took to the upside. Probably was been a good trade, but they probably wait for this change in the state. Change in the state would have been right here. Oh yeah, they would have gotten that trade right there. Oops. Yes. They probably got that change in state right there, off the little retest of it. They probably in right now. It's SMT at the lows, change in the state. Retest of the change in the state, go up. Protected by this gap. Me personally, I wouldn't have got in though, cause I like for there to be two fair value gaps to create the change in the state or order block, whatever you want to call it. So overall, it's looking like it would have been a good trade though. Not what I trade anymore though. Price action supposed to be good in September, man. It's kind of somewhat showing otherwise right now. Just like it's gonna go back to the orb. Maybe bounce off of it. Oh, but That's definitely a good scalping area right now. It's 975. We can break 975 and go up. It still didn't even tap that gap. I actually would like to do this. Even then, it could be a bigger 3 minute. Nah, that's a big. It'll go. Oh no, it's a 5 minute. It tapped the 5 minute gap. So what is it like on the 5 minute here? Oh, yeah, it ain't even. That's what I want to see. I want to see it take this, take this high, and end up respecting over here, respecting this bearish gap right here. We disrespect this gap, break out, and I think that'll be the direction that the price really wants. But we'll see. It can't fight over that 957 though, that 975. I mean, that's continuously pushing price down. This gap is strong. I wouldn't mind it going in and filling it a little bit, which would push price up, take this out, and then we can go down. We still got unmitigated 4 hours below. I might make me some tea, bro. Come on. This 5 minute bearish gap is strong, bro. We won't even like let it in. Like, now, assuming it will eventually. Like, we're just steady rejecting it right now. It's like taking price long. There we go. Price definitely gonna find that direction it wants though. Just chopping up right now. Here we go. You might end up really just pushing through that high. We do still have all-time highs sitting up there too, so. I got a feeling Trump finna say something. It's finna shoot the market. I don't know why. It's just, man, the craziest. We living in the craziest times, bro. Like some of the craziest times. I mean, I wouldn't say the craziest, but man, we living in some crazy times right now. That hate is real. The hate and the jealousy is real. See, price pushed up, but ES act like it didn't want to, so like probably ES is literally still just consolidating. I don't know what it is. I got ES doing this, but prices is kind of ugly today. We just consolidated down here, jumped up, consolidated some more. This ain't nothing but 10 o'clock volume. And, I don't know what the heck going on in New York. Excuse me, y'all. So is it just gonna bounce off this 5 minute or what? If it disrespects the 5 minute, I wouldn't be surprised. So then we still got SMT at the highs, like I showed y'all earlier. But it's just SMT at both sides, the only thing I don't like. That 5 minute gap over here is non-existent. Oops. Or I think it is down here. I don't know. I think it might be another no trade day, bro. It's just too many. It's too much going on. Oh boy. I just wish I would have had this patience yesterday. like Trump just called out Powell. He just called him a total disaster. He said you don't have a clue. He said we must lower the rate and all this other stuff. So excuse me. Came out of nowhere. Yes, it consequent encroachment is at 5 minute, like perfect, right on the T. See if it's bouncing off this support, or is it gonna fight through it? I think the draw is definitely lower now. And that's actually nice volume to the downside. Well, for some certain extent. So we at 10:30 now. This is where I will be wanting to see a setup actually present itself. What does daily look like, bro? Cause goodness. I mean, look at September. Oh my gosh. Like September was just bad. August had that little downfall. This was that big downfall. This is crazy. Well, I was hoping for a setup today, but it's not looking like we're going to get one. Excuse me. Man. If I was to trade out in today, back in May, what? This is the only problem. I've been finding all this. We need to start expanding again. Well, I would have made so much money during this time. That's what's price get out of this range. Maybe it's moving like this cause CPI tomorrow though. This price action ugly. It's about to hop off. I am about to hop off this mug, bro. This would have been a no trade week, boy. I really do wish I ain't traded yesterday, bro. But I know now, bro. I know I'm still in good stand. I'm good. I'm not finna keep. I'm trying to minimize my L's for sure. This market probably got about 20 more minutes with me though. I've already been on here about an hour and a half, almost. About time to hop off. It's about time for me to hop off, y'all. Price has been in this little barcode action since what? Since 10:07. We've been fighting this doggone fair value gap for almost 30 minutes now. It's like look at this. Look at ES. Just consolidate it, move up a little bit, move down, consolidate it, up, consolidate it. Like, what are we doing? Like, what we actually doing today? I don't know. I guess some people probably took this first little. I mean, this was early in the market if you did take it, but I don't know. Yeah, this was at 9:36. This like was probably the best move, or that little change in state move up, retest up. That's probably the best little moves people probably could have found. Yeah, for my strategy though, it's just not today. It's not my day. It's already 10:47. Oh dang. Well, price just kind of moved right there. Once 11 hit, I'm usually done though. 11 to like 11:30, I'll probably just be off. Like something could find this, like it could find itself very late, but market on BS at this point. Oh man, I gotta stretch, y'all. Just nothing here. I didn't even look out here. Even if I did take a trade today, the delivery would have been terrible. This was like, I don't know. I like for price to have a direction when I'm trading. Like, just look at that. That's terrible. Yeah, I'm finna call it a day. It's already video already long for nothing. So I think I'm gonna call it a day right here, y'all. It's already at an hour 26. I don't think none is gonna present itself for me, at least. So I'm gonna call it a day, y'all. Go chill and do some other stuff, get some W's off the charts, work out, probably go make me some money, something. So, yeah, man. Call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna end it right here, y'all. I don't think Price wanna do nothing at this point. I just wait to see what tomorrow brings. Make sure y'all just stay prayed up, be patient, be kind to somebody, tell somebody you love them. Yeah, and just read your word, pray without ceasing, believe what you're praying about, and yeah, man, yeah. That's all I got for y'all today, though. But y'all have a good one.